Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of Rhino 101 tutorial. In this video, we are going to speed things up a bit from here and cut down on repeated explanations. Also, if you feel like the pace is too slow, feel free to increase the playback speed in the video settings. That's totally fine. In this video, I want to show you commands through the toolbars as well, so you will learn how to find them in there too, like what we did using menus. At this point, I'd say we have already gone beyond what SketchUp can do. Some of you might have used SketchUp before, and if so, you'll notice the difference and the fact that Rhino is more precise and more fast. So if you just want to use the simple commands like line and extrude, Rhino is still a better choice than SketchUp. So in Rhino, as you can see, we have these toolbars here, like standard, Z-plane, set view, etc. And you can see there are many commands and options are in these toolbars. This can be a little bit scary for you, but also you can see that commands in toolbars are more visual and more graphical. So you may feel this is a better way to do modeling process using toolbars, and I want to explain them for you. For example, we want to edit this solid form that we have here, and we want to do it using toolbars. Actually, Rhino has many more toolbars, and you see some of them here, but not all of them. To see all the Rhino toolbars, you have to click here and select Show Toolbars. As you see, we have many options here. Some of them are activated like this, like C-planes. As you see, C-planes exist here. I'll do it again. And some of them are not activated. For example, this curve. And we have a new toolbar here named curve. You see we have some options here. And I want to have this toolbar here so I can access it easily. And I want to add a new one, or I can use this gear here, or I can right click here. I will choose extrude. We have extrude here. I will add holes, and also you see these are alphabetically sorted, so you can find your toolbar easier. I will select these as well. So as you see, we have 5 toolbars here. You can add any of them if you like. Feel free to search through these toolbars and check what are these about and test their commands. So we used extrude before. I want to add some holes to this solid form. We can consider this form as a simple box. So at first, I want to add 2 objects for top and bottom of this box. So I go into curve toolbar. We don't have polyline here, so we need to add a new toolbar. I will find the proper toolbar. For example, line looks good. As you see, we have polyline here, so I will select this. Line is just one piece of line, but this is lines connected and joined together, so you don't need to join them after drawing them. I will draw my polyline, select, and go to extrude toolbar. This is extrude straight, so I will type an extrude distance. For example, you see this is the distance, the current distance, and if you move your mouse, this is going to change. So I see about 0.5 meter looks good, so I will type 0.5 and press enter. You see solid option set to no, so I will undo using Ctrl Z, use extrude again with command method. So I will enable this, and the last extrusion distance you used appears here, so you can just tap enter. So we model top part of this box. I just want to copy this part. For bottom, I want to use copy command. we know that copy command is not in these toolbars. So in a standard, these are the most useful commands you can use. And so move is here and copy is here. So I will choose copy and I click here and I want to copy it here. But I want to show you a trick. If you want to move this part or copy this part and you want to move it exactly in vertical direction, you can hold Control key here and click. As you see, our direction is locked and now we can copy it here. Tap escape. So this is our box. We want to move this box to be exactly in 0, 0, 0 coordinates. So this is 0 coordinates here. I will move this using gumball. You may not have gumball in your viewport, so you can right click here and choose gumball on and also select these options like I did. So this is 0, 0, 0. But if I want to move this box to 0, 0, 0, we can try. Okay, I can move it here, but it's not going to be the exact 0, 0, 0. So you can do it using multiple ways. For example, you can type 0 and tap enter is the first way. And you can activate your grid snap option here. So if I use move command, as you see, we have a snap. But our z coordinates is minus 0.5, so we don't use this method here. I will disable this again. I usually don't use grid snap option. We can create a point in 0, 0, 0 coordinates. So I will choose this single point. If you right click, you can create multiple points. For example, I right clicked here and I can create multiple points. But if you left click here, you can create just one point. And for next points, you have to use space or right click to repeat the command. I will type 0 and press enter. I will delete this point. I just use delete. Now you can select these, tap M, enter, click here and click here. But if you don't see this point message here, you can activate your point or snap here. As you see, I can't select this point, but now I can. So I will click here and I will delete my point. I think it's enough for this video. I will show you how to create holes in this box in next video. So this video won't be too long. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And feel free to ask your questions about this video or tell me how can I make my quality better. And also you can contact me using these ways. I'm available at LinkedIn. You can search my name here. And if you need some help for modeling your project using Rhino, feel free to DM me and I'm open to work. So have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.